For months, astronomers assured the world that 3I, ATLAS would be little more than a spectacular celestial visitor. An interstellar object passing briefly through our cosmic neighborhood before disappearing forever into the darkness between the stars. It was expected to be another fascinating scientific opportunity, a rare chance to study material from beyond our solar system. Yet as observations accumulated, the story surrounding this mysterious traveler began to evolve into something far more intriguing. New measurements revealed subtle changes in its motion, unexpected variations in brightness, and unusual patterns in the gases surrounding it. What initially appeared to be a simple object crossing through space slowly transformed into one of the most discussed astronomical mysteries in recent memory. When 3I, ATLAS was first detected, scientists immediately noticed its extraordinary speed. Racing through the solar system faster than nearly any natural object previously observed, it carried with it clues from a region of the galaxy humanity had never explored directly. Early observations focused on understanding its composition, structure, and origin. But as powerful telescopes continued monitoring its journey, researchers began noticing behavior that seemed difficult to explain through traditional comet models alone. The object's surrounding cloud of gas and dust brightened unexpectedly, while slight deviations appeared in calculations predicting its future path. Though such deviations can occur naturally due to outgassing and solar heating, the consistency of these changes attracted growing attention throughout the astronomical community. The arrival of new observations from advanced observatories added another layer to the mystery. Sensitive instruments detected periodic bursts of material emerging from the object's surface. In ordinary comets, such activity often occurs randomly as sunlight heats volatile ices. Yet some researchers noted that certain emissions appeared surprisingly regular. Discussions quickly emerged regarding whether unseen geological structures, unusual compositions, or entirely unknown physical processes might be responsible. The debate spread far beyond scientific journals and into public imagination. Could this object simply be an unusually active comet, or was it revealing something about interstellar bodies that humanity had never encountered before? As interest intensified, astronomers focused their attention on the object's projected path through the solar system. Calculations showed that it would pass relatively close to Mars on a cosmic scale. While still separated by a vast distance, the encounter offered an unprecedented opportunity to observe interactions between an interstellar visitor and a planetary environment. Researchers began running thousands of simulations, exploring how tiny changes in velocity could alter future trajectories. Most scenarios showed a harmless flyby, yet the exercise highlighted just how sensitive orbital mechanics can be when dealing with fast-moving objects arriving from interstellar space. The mystery deepened further when some scientists proposed more speculative explanations. A small number suggested that the object's unusual characteristics justified considering possibilities beyond conventional models. Discussions emerged about whether advanced natural processes could mimic controlled motion, whether unknown forms of cometary activity existed, or whether humanity's understanding of interstellar objects remained incomplete. These ideas generated enormous public fascination because they touched on one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we truly alone, or could the galaxy contain forms of intelligence and technology far beyond our current understanding? Meanwhile, Mars itself became part of the conversation. For decades, the Red Planet has occupied a unique place in scientific exploration. Beneath its dusty surface may lie evidence of ancient oceans, underground reservoirs, and perhaps even environments capable of supporting microbial life. Orbiters, rovers, and landers have spent years uncovering clues about Mars' past. The possibility of a close encounter with an unusual interstellar object naturally sparked questions about how such an event might affect future exploration. Even without impact, the opportunity to study both Mars and 3I, ATLAS simultaneously represented a remarkable scientific moment. As researchers examined data more closely, they discovered patterns that fueled even greater speculation. Certain timing sequences within the object's activity appeared repetitive. Mathematical analyses revealed structures that some interpreted as ordinary physical cycles, while others argued they deserved deeper investigation. Similar debates have occurred throughout scientific history. Whenever humanity encounters something unfamiliar, the challenge lies in distinguishing between genuine anomalies and the human tendency to see meaning within complexity. The story of 3I, ATLAS quickly became a modern example of this timeless process. Yet perhaps the most fascinating part of the 3I, Atlas story was not the object itself, but humanity's reaction to it. Around the world, scientists and skywatchers focused their attention on a single traveler moving silently through the darkness. Every observation, every new measurement, and every revised calculation reminded us of a simple truth. The universe still has the power to surprise us. Whether 3I, ATLAS ultimately proves to be an unusual comet, a new type of interstellar object, or something entirely unexpected, it has already changed the conversation. It reminds us that our solar system is not isolated. Objects travel between stars, carrying clues from distant regions of the galaxy. In many ways, 3I, ATLAS feels less like a visitor and more like a messenger from a much larger cosmic story that humanity is only beginning to understand. While astronomers watched this mysterious object approach from deep space, another messenger was continuing its journey in the opposite direction. Far beyond the planets, beyond the Kuiper Belt, and beyond the Sun's protective influence, Voyager 2 has spent more than 4 decades traveling into the unknown. When Voyager 2 crossed the heliopause, the boundary between the solar system and interstellar space, it revealed something remarkable. Scientists expected a gradual transition, but instead the spacecraft encountered abrupt changes in radiation, particle density, and magnetic conditions. It was as if Voyager had crossed an invisible border into an entirely different environment. The discovery revealed that our solar system exists inside a vast protective bubble known as the heliosphere. Beyond that shield lies a far more energetic and unpredictable region shaped by galactic radiation, magnetic fields, and the remnants of ancient stellar explosions. Interstellar space was not empty. It was active, dynamic, and far more complex than anyone had imagined. Perhaps most surprising was Voyager's discovery that the Sun's magnetic field aligned closely with the magnetic field beyond the heliopause. Rather than chaos, the spacecraft found unexpected order, suggesting that our solar system may be connected to larger structures stretching across the galaxy itself. And attached to Voyager 2 is the Golden Record, a collection of sounds, images, and messages from Earth. It is humanity's introduction to the cosmos, carried endlessly through the darkness between the stars. Whether anyone ever finds it remains unknown. But its presence reflects something deeply human: the desire to explore, to understand, and to be remembered. Today, Voyager 2 continues its silent journey into interstellar space. Every signal it sends back reminds us that exploration never truly ends. Beyond every frontier lies another mystery, and somewhere ahead, in the vast ocean between the stars, countless discoveries are still waiting.